In this video, we fixed the edit product page so that when we select something, our editing box, rather than just being this text box, ends up being the Ajax editor. So to do this, it's the same thing we've done on all the other pages. The first step is to go in to Design View and convert that field to a template field so we can break the black box. So we will come here, talk to this Rob, go to Edit Fields, click on the description field and convert it to a template. Then we'll say OK, and then I'm going to switch back to source view to do the rest of this. And then I'm going to just copy some things. Now there's 3 things we need to do. We'll copy these from Edit Newsletter. The first is we need to register the assembly at the top of the page. So let's put this up at the top. The next thing is to add the script manager. So I could click this off the toolbox. I'm just going to copy it from here. And again, that just needs to be somewhere in this content panel, but before the editor. And then we'll go down into the template for the edit item template. And we'll get there. I want to make sure I'm in the details view. Yes, I'm in the details view. So let's go here, and I'll just grab the editor code from this one. It's this code right here. So we'll copy this, paste it here in the edit item template instead of the text box, and get rid of that text box. And then the only thing we need to change, you notice when I grabbed this one to the newsletter, and the name of the field in the database there was content. On this one it's description, so I just need to make that match the name of the field in my database. So let's save this and give it a shot. So we'll reload this page. And then when we select it, it comes up in the editor. Okay, the other thing we need to fix is the width. So, but the editor's working, just like we would like it to. And you notice on this we have the width set to 100%, but on the details view itself, for some reason the width's set to 125 pixels, which I think that's just out of the box. That's what it's set to. So we'll set that to 100%, save this, reload this page. And now let's test it out. So then we'll hit the update, and we see that it's our update's showing in there. So the only other thing we might want to do is when we click on the cancel button, actually put that little bit of JavaScript we had on the newsletter. And to do that, what we'll do is we can switch back to Design View. We want to crack the black box for those buttons. So we'll go to Edit Fields, click on the button field, then say convert this to a template. Say OK. Then I'm going to again grab the code from the newsletter. We'll wrap that little span that has the JavaScript in it. We'll take this and wrap this around our buttons here. So switch back to source view. There's the item template for the buttons. And we want the edit item template, and we want to put this around the cancel button. So I'm going to put it here. And then we can use the same text in that little JavaScript button that pops up. Then the last thing we have to do is close that span, and we want that to go after the button. Okay, just to wrap that JavaScript around here. So let's give this a shot. Test this out. So now when we select this, hit cancel, it comes up and says, hey, sure you want to. Hit cancel, and we'll say, okay, yeah, we really do want to cancel. And now the last thing let's do is let's just check this in the other 2 browsers. So we'll copy this and put it over here in, this is Chrome. We'll have to log in here as well. Then we can select, okay, there's the editor, great. Cancel, great. And now let's do it in Firefox. Oops. Okay. So we'll go to Admin, Edit Products, select a product, hit the Cancel button. Let's just make an edit in here too while we're here. So we'll highlight this line, change the text color, and say update. Okay, so now let's go look at the products page too, just to make sure everything's coming through. And there's our line of text. So this is looking pretty good. The end of this video.